Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech. Today I'll be unboxing the LG Stylo 4 on Boost Mobile. Let's check it out. Okay everyone, so I was fortunate enough to be able to pick up the Boost Mobile version of the LG Stylo 4. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing. Now down here shows some specs: a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus touchscreen with stylus, fingerprint sensor, 32 gigabytes of ROM. This one does have 2 gigabytes of RAM and a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor. Turn it on the back here, some more specs. Of course, 6.2-inch Full HD Plus, 3300 milliamp hour battery, a 13 megapixel main camera with a wide angle 5 megapixel front camera, fingerprint sensor, of course, 30 gigabytes of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, has 4G LTE Plus with 2x20 carrier aggregation, and HPUE. Okay, so we know how annoying these new tabs are here on the new Boost Mobile boxes, so we'll go ahead and skip it. And here is the box inside the box. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box by opening the flap. And on top there is the LG Stylo 4. We do have what looks to be just a regular LG wall adapter. I don't think it's fast charging because they don't say it on there anywhere. And of course you do get the USB Type-C charging cable. The phone out of here to the side. And in here we do have a SIM removal tool there, as well as some LG warranty information. So that's all that's in the box. Let's put all of this up and we will look at the phone. Okay everyone, so the phone is now in hand. Now I will say the phone does look and feel very nice. On the back here you will see maybe a little design right there, a little design pattern on the back of this LG Stylo 4. Really nice look to it and everything. Got the rear camera, of course, the flash, and your fingerprint scanner, LG brand in there. On the right side here, we do have your power button. On top is just a secondary mic. On the left, we do have your space volume rocker there, as well as your SIM and SD tray. And on the bottom, we do have your USB Type-C, microphone, 3.5mm headset jack, speaker, and your stylus. So let's go ahead and pull out this front screen protector. Just like that. And up top there is your front-facing camera as well as your receiver. Let's go ahead and give this phone its first boot up. Got any charge? There we go. LG Stylo 4 powered by Android. So I'm anxious to try this phone out. Now it says it's got a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor. So not really sure what it's going to be running, but I guess we'll find out whenever we get into the phone. So I'll go ahead and get it all set up and I will come back when it's finished. Okay everyone, so we're finally set up now and ready to go. Had a couple of updates before the phone powered on, but it's all set up now and ready to go. Now first things first, I want to say this phone does run the 1.5 gigahertz octa-core MediaTek 6750 processor. And I know some don't like MediaTek, so I have to just see how it works in this device. And also, you know, of course, I wish this phone would have came with a little cheap case or something, because I know how the Stylo 4 tends to scratch up very easily, so I'm afraid to even carry it without a case. But you know, that's just the way it is. So get the fingerprint here all set up. Let's check that out. So power's right on, no problem. Press it and there you go. So not the fastest in the world, but it does work. So yeah, so the phone does look really nice. The screen is very nice and vibrant. This version here does not have an app drawer. We'll go into the settings in a minute and find out if it does have it in there. So of course you got all your apps down here. All your home screens are here. Pull the drop down and we'll look around here a little bit. Got stuff like Capture Plus, Wi-Fi, your DTS X3D Surround, Calling Plus, your flashlight, battery saver extender, and location comfort view. You can also edit those as well. So we'll go into the settings here for a little bit and browse around. Now up top here you do have network and internet. You got airplane mode, Calling Plus, Wi-Fi, mobile data. Got call here for voicemail, call blocking and decline with message, answering in calls, and some additional settings there as well. You have your tethering, mobile networks, and your VPN. You have your sounds here, display. So you get your home screen here. So let's go ahead and check here. You do have home and app drawer, or easy home. So really nice stuff there. You have your wallpaper, screen swipe effect, icon shapes. You have your grid, hide apps, loop home screen, and search. Now you got screen resolution here that you can change from 1080 to 720. That'll help out with battery life as well. Really nice to see that available here on the Stylo 4, being able to change your resolution. You have comfort view, your brightness, auto brightness as well, rotate screen, screen timeout, screen saver, and you got mini view there as well. And down here it says Lockscreen and Security, as well as blinking LED, which is up here in the top corner. So nice to see that there. You have Lockscreen and Security. So you have your pattern, fingerprints, customized lock screen, secure lock settings, content lock location, all kinds of good stuff there. You have extensions here for smart cleaning, gaming, shortcut keys, pin, knock on feature, you turn that on or off. You have apps and info and notifications. You got battery here, so you get your battery usage, battery percentage bar, battery saver, power saving exclusions, and all that really nice stuff there. Now, internal storage, you do have 32 gigabytes of storage, and 13.93 has already been used of that. So you got 18.0 gigabytes free. So that's a lot of storage already being used up there, from the get-go. Down here at system, you do have system updates, language and input, date and time. You got memory, does have 2 gigabytes of RAM. And down here at software, we are running version 8.1 with July 1st, 2018 security patch. So a lot of really nice settings here in the LG Stylo 4. As I have been using it a little bit, I have already seen a little bit of stutter here and there. Nothing bad. It could just be, starting up everything. Let's look at the camera here for a little bit and browse around. Now here you have your settings, your mode, your effects button, your front-facing camera, as well as your flash. Down here it shows Q lens. Now here's your shutter button, of course. You can press and hold that and just take burst shots, or you can take it and you can slide around left and right for your zoom, which is really nice there. Pretty cool. And you got GIFs down here at the bottom as well. So up here in the settings, HDR mode, cheese shutter, tag locations, got your full vision down here, as well as your camera. Photo size, 4x3, 13 megapixel. It drops down from there. As you can see, all of those. You can record in 16:9 full HD 1080, HD 720 18:9, and HD 720 16:9. You also got a self timer there as well. Go up here into mode. You got auto mode, food, matte shot, guide shot, snapshot, grid shot, panorama, and jump flash cut. Like I said, front facing camera here as well. Looks pretty good here on my end. Let's go up here to the settings and look around. So you got selfie shot there, save as flipped, full vision, 5 megapixel, and it drops down from there. You can also record in the same 1080, 16:9, 720, 18:9, or 720, 16:9, and of course your self timer. So yeah, LG Stylo 4 on Boost Mobile. So far it looks really good, feels really nice in the hand. The power button might be a little too far up to reach if you got small hands, but hey, fingerprint scanner right there and you're ready to go. I was really anxious to find the Boost Mobile version. I'm glad I was able to find it and bring it here and unbox it and show y'all. This one does run the MediaTek processor, like I made mention of, the 6750 with 2 gigabytes of RAM and all of that good stuff. So this is the Stylo 4. If this was helpful and informative and you enjoy seeing this on my channel, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it below, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd really appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.